Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we will discuss lesson number 7, module 2. Do you know what is the difference between worksheet and workbook? A spreadsheet or worksheet is an arrangement of cells in columns and rows. Used to organize any row, then you can select from here. If you want to insert an image in your spreadsheet, then click on the Insert menu option and select the image. Selected image will be inserted in your spreadsheet. If you want inserting insert cells, columns and rows, click on the Insert menu and select the Cell option. The Insert dialog box will appear. Select the desired option and click OK. You will see a new cell will be added according to the selection. Insert menu. It allows you to add new worksheets, rows and columns to an existing. You can also insert charts, pictures and objects into your spreadsheet. Click on the Insert option. A dialog box will appear. Then you select the row. If you want to insert column, then select the column option. If you want to select, you can also select from the standard toolbar. If you want delete cells, columns, then select the delete row option. Selected row will be deleted. Same as if you want to delete column, just select the column and click on the sheet option, then select the delete column option. Selected columns will be deleted. You can also use this delete option situation on the standard toolbar, and you can select from here delete row, delete columns, delete cells, shift left, delete cells, shift up and delete sheet. Copying and moving data. Copying refers to duplicating data or making multiple copies of the same data. Moving refers to changing the position of data. Copying and moving can be done either in the same sheet or between the different sheets. These are the steps to cut and paste your data. You just select the text to cut and paste. Click the cut button. This option is situated on the standard toolbar, or you can use shortcut keys Ctrl+X. Then click your cursor to new location for text. Click the paste button. You can also use Ctrl+V. If you want to copy your text, then select the text to copy and click the copy button. You can also use shortcut keys Ctrl+C. Click your cursor to new location for text and click the paste button. You can also use shortcut key Ctrl+V. Your data will be pasted using autofill. Autofill cells with data series using the fill command or series command. It is the easiest method to fill data in cells automatically. Whenever we place the mouse pointer over the small square in the bottom corner of the selected cell, it changes into cross symbol. The small black square in the bottom right corner of the cell is known as fill handle. To fill the selected series, simply drag the fill handle or selected range. Hope you understand. This is all for today. Thanks.